Hey, my name is Amna and you're watching Amna Unfiltered. Today, we're diving into something that's rapidly transforming industries and making work life easier for everyone. Robotic Process Automation, RPA. Now, I know the idea of robots doing our work might sound a bit like something out of a sci-fi movie, but trust me, it's happening right now, and it's changing the way businesses operate. You've probably used it or interacted with it without even realizing. And as technology continues to advance, RPA is going to be a game changer for all kinds of industries, making everything faster, smarter, and more efficient. Let me show you how. Imagine for a moment that you work in a company where you spend hours every day entering data into spreadsheets, copying information from one system to another, or performing the same routine tasks repeatedly. Sounds tedious, right? What if there was a way to automate all of that so you could focus on the more creative, strategic, or high-value tasks that require human insight? Well, this is where RPA comes into play, and it's making that vision a reality. RPA uses software robots, or bots, to take over the repetitive rule-based tasks that traditionally take up a huge chunk of time for human employees. It frees up their time, allowing them to focus on more engaging, impactful work. Take, for example, a bank employee whose job involves processing customer forms. In a traditional setup, this might mean manually entering data into various systems, checking for errors, or filling out repetitive forms. But with RPA, a software bot can handle all of this. The bot accesses the customer data, processes the form according to predefined rules, and fills out fields while checking for discrepancies. It can even flag issues or update records in real time, all while working faster and more accurately than a human could. By automating these tasks, businesses reduce the risk of human error, increase processing speed, and free up employees to engage with more critical, value-added activities. This is just one example of how RPA is helping businesses save time and resources, efficiency at its finest. You might be wondering, how does this magic happen? Well, RPA works by mimicking human actions on a computer or within a system, but it does so without the need for constant human input. Let's break it down. When a task is automated using RPA, a software bot is essentially taught to replicate the tasks that would typically be done by a human, such as logging into systems, navigating through interfaces, copying and pasting data, or filling out forms. These bots operate based on rules set by the business and can be integrated with various applications to make the process as seamless as possible. Whether it's moving data from one database to another, generating reports, or even processing complex workflows, RPA bots can handle these tasks with incredible precision, and they never get tired or make mistakes, the way humans might after long hours of repetitive work. Take the example of a customer service team that deals with thousands of queries each day. A typical day might involve responding to basic inquiries, processing requests, or updating customer records. With RPA, a chatbot powered by RPA technology can automate the entire initial interaction, handling queries like, "Where's my order?" or "Can you reset my password?" with ease. The bot doesn't just answer questions, it can update records, trigger notifications, and even forward complex issues to a human agent when necessary, streamlining the entire workflow. What's more, this system can handle a massive volume of customer requests simultaneously, improving response times and providing round-the-clock support without additional staffing. Customers receive quicker answers, and employees are freed up to focus on tasks that require human judgment, problem solving, or emotional intelligence. The real beauty of RPA lies in its efficiency. When these bots take over the repetitive, menial tasks, it speeds up processes by reducing the time it takes to complete tasks that used to be manual. In turn, businesses see a massive improvement in productivity. Take the example of a manufacturing plant that uses IoT sensors to monitor machinery in real time. In a traditional setup, a human operator would need to manually track machinery status, schedule maintenance, and even process reports. But with RPA, the system can automatically trigger maintenance tasks when sensors detect anomalies, generate detailed reports, and send alerts to maintenance teams without human intervention. The time spent on these tasks is minimized, and productivity increases because the system handles the routine work without error. More time can be spent optimizing production, improving quality, and enhancing customer satisfaction. Cost saving is another significant benefit of RPA. By automating processes that would otherwise require large teams of workers, businesses can reduce labor costs and reinvest those savings into other areas of the company. For instance, many businesses use RPA to process invoices, where bots are tasked with validating, matching, and processing invoices automatically. This is a process that traditionally involved multiple steps, manual checks, and several departments. But with RPA, the entire workflow is handled in a fraction of the time and at a lower cost. The bots are fast, reliable, and can work 24/7 without needing breaks, making them an invaluable resource for businesses that need to stay efficient in a competitive marketplace. Not only does RPA provide cost efficiency, but it also improves accuracy. Humans, as much as we try to avoid it, make mistakes, especially when performing the same repetitive tasks over and over again. Those small errors can add up, leading to costly corrections, lost time, and sometimes even customer dissatisfaction. RPA eliminates this problem by following predefined rules with precision, ensuring that each task is completed with perfect consistency. When entering data into a system, for example, an RPA bot can cross-check information in real time, ensuring that everything matches the necessary criteria and flagging any discrepancies before they become an issue. The result is not just faster processes, but higher quality outputs that are consistent, reliable, and error-free. But RPA's capabilities don't end there. Scalability is another critical feature. As businesses grow, so too do the demands on their operations. IoT systems, data processing, and customer inquiries can quickly increase in volume, overwhelming traditional systems. With RPA, however, businesses can scale operations effortlessly, adding more bots to handle additional workloads without the need for more staff. Whether it's handling more customer queries, processing larger amounts of data, or overseeing more complex workflows, RPA can be scaled up or down based on the needs of the business, making it an incredibly adaptable solution. Business agility also benefits from RPA, because these systems can automate tasks across a wide range of applications, whether it's updating records in a database, processing orders, or analyzing data. Businesses are more adaptable to changes in demand. For example, during seasonal peaks, RPA can automatically increase the number of bots handling customer service or invoicing tasks, enabling the business to handle increased demand without compromising quality or efficiency. If the company introduces new products or services, RPA bots can be reprogrammed to accommodate the changes without the need for manual intervention or training. This flexibility allows companies to stay nimble, competitive, and responsive in an ever-changing market. As businesses increasingly rely on automation, there's also the potential to integrate AI and machine learning into RPA, allowing bots to make decisions based on learned experiences. Imagine a scenario where an RPA system handles customer complaints or returns, but with the added power of AI. The bot can assess the sentiment behind the customer's message, predict whether the issue can be solved automatically, and even determine the best course of action based on past interactions or outcomes. This combination of RPA and AI offers a new level of intelligence that can manage more complex scenarios, make decisions on the fly, and continuously improve its responses over time. For instance, in retail, RPA bots can automatically generate returns, process refunds, or escalate cases to human agents when necessary, all while continuously learning from customer feedback to improve future interactions. However, while the advantages of RPA are clear, increased productivity, cost savings, improved accuracy, scalability, and business agility, the technology is not without its challenges. One of the key concerns for businesses adopting RPA is the integration with existing systems. While RPA can work with virtually any application or system, setting up the automation properly requires time, effort, and sometimes specialized skills. Businesses must ensure that their bots are integrated with the right platforms, have access to the necessary data, and are programmed to respond appropriately to various scenarios. Moreover, organizations must plan carefully to ensure that RPA complements human workers, enhancing their abilities without replacing their creativity or critical thinking. In conclusion, robotic process automation, RPA, is transforming the way businesses operate, making processes faster, more efficient, and cost-efficient. By automating repetitive, rule-based tasks, RPA frees up employees to focus on more complex and high-value activities. Whether it's in customer service, manufacturing, healthcare, or retail, RPA enables businesses to scale operations, reduce errors, and improve overall quality. As technology evolves, the integration of AI and machine learning into RPA will enhance its capabilities, providing businesses with even more powerful tools to improve performance. By streamlining workflows, optimizing operations, and ensuring higher levels of accuracy, RPA is ushering in a new era of automation that's here to stay, enhancing productivity and transforming industries for the better. Definition and purpose. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, is one of the most groundbreaking innovations in the world of automation and artificial intelligence, offering a solution that combines the efficiency of machines with the decision-making capabilities of AI. At its core, RPA involves the use of software robots, or bots, to automate routine, time-consuming tasks that are based on predefined rules. These bots can execute repetitive processes such as data entry, form filling, report generation, and even more complex workflows without human intervention, freeing up time and resources for more high-value activities. The transformative impact of RPA is seen across industries as it enables businesses to streamline operations, reduce human error, and increase overall efficiency. This level of automation allows companies to operate at an optimized pace, improving service delivery and ensuring that workers can focus on tasks that require creativity, strategic thinking, or problem-solving abilities, rather than mundane, repetitive tasks. To understand the full extent of RPA, it's essential to consider the kinds of tasks that it automates. These tasks, often referred to as rule-based tasks, follow clear, well-defined instructions. For example, in an accounting department, an employee may spend hours each day entering invoices into a financial system, cross-referencing them with purchase orders and verifying details. The process requires careful attention to detail, but the actions themselves do not require significant cognitive effort or decision-making. With RPA, a bot can take over this entire process, gathering data from various systems, performing the necessary checks, and entering the invoice details into the system, all while following predefined rules and without the risk of human error. This automation not only saves time, but also ensures that tasks are completed faster and with greater accuracy. The core purpose of RPA is to enhance operational efficiency by reducing the time spent on routine administrative tasks. Traditional systems rely heavily on manual work, which is often slow and prone to errors, especially in high-volume environments. The automation of these processes through RPA accelerates business operations, making them more agile and responsive. For instance, in industries like banking, insurance, and healthcare, where large volumes of data are constantly being processed, RPA allows these tasks to be completed at speeds that were previously impossible with manual labor. In the case of claims processing in an insurance company, bots can gather all the necessary information, verify policy details, calculate payouts, and even communicate with customers, all while reducing the time required for human employees to review and approve claims. This efficiency translates into faster processing times, improved customer satisfaction, and reduced operational costs. Another key purpose of RPA is to significantly reduce human error. Humans, while capable of performing complex tasks, are often susceptible to mistakes, especially when working with repetitive data entry or validation tasks. Even small errors, such as typing a number incorrectly, can lead to serious consequences, from financial discrepancies to delays in customer service. By automating these tasks, RPA removes the element of human error, ensuring that the processes are performed accurately every time. This reduction in errors is especially critical in industries that rely heavily on precision, such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. In healthcare, for example, RPA can assist with the management of patient records, ensuring that no critical information is missed or misentered. In financial services, RPA can automatically reconcile financial transactions, ensuring that discrepancies are flagged and addressed immediately, without the risk of oversight. Beyond just reducing errors, RPA's automation capabilities free up employees to focus on more value-added tasks. Routine tasks like data entry and report generation are often repetitive and time-consuming, yet they are essential for the smooth functioning of many operations. By automating these tasks, employees are liberated from mundane work, allowing them to dedicate their time and expertise to more creative and strategic endeavors. Instead of spending hours inputting data into systems, employees can focus on tasks that require critical thinking, problem-solving, and decision-making. This shift not only increases employee job satisfaction by eliminating repetitive work, but also enables organizations to leverage their workforce more effectively, directing human talent toward high-value tasks like innovation, customer relationship building, and strategic planning. RPA is also an important enabler of scalability within organizations. As companies grow, so do the number of processes that need to be handled. Scaling business operations typically means hiring more staff or investing in new infrastructure to handle the increased workload. However, RPA offers a scalable solution that doesn't require significant increases in manpower or physical resources. Bots can be deployed to handle more tasks as the organization grows, managing additional workloads seamlessly. For example, a customer service department handling a surge of inquiries during a product launch can deploy additional bots to respond to common queries without the need for new hires or lengthy training processes. The scalability of RPA systems means that organizations can adapt quickly to changes in demand, market conditions, or customer needs, improving their overall agility and responsiveness. The cost-saving aspect of RPA is undeniable. By automating routine tasks, organizations can achieve significant cost reductions, as fewer human workers are needed to perform these jobs. Labor costs, which are often one of the most significant expenditures for businesses, can be significantly reduced by replacing manual work with bots. However, cost savings also come from other areas, such as reducing the time it takes to complete tasks, eliminating the costs associated with errors or rework, and minimizing operational inefficiencies. RPA also helps organizations reduce the risk of compliance violations or data breaches, which can be costly in terms of fines, legal fees, and damage to reputation. By automating processes with predefined rules, businesses can ensure that all tasks are performed consistently and in accordance with regulations, further protecting them from financial loss. RPA has also made it easier for organizations to achieve higher levels of customer satisfaction. In customer service, for example, bots can quickly handle routine requests, allowing human agents to focus on more complex issues that require personal touch. A customer might inquire about the status of an order or ask for help with troubleshooting a product. Instead of waiting in line for a customer service representative, they can interact with a bot that immediately provides the information they need. The response time is faster, the information is more accurate, and the customer experience is more seamless. In addition, bots can be available 24/7, ensuring that customer inquiries are handled promptly, even outside of regular business hours. This availability and speed help companies to build stronger relationships with customers, increasing customer loyalty and retention. For companies in high-volume industries such as banking or insurance, RPA is an invaluable tool for improving operational efficiency. In banking, for instance, RPA bots can automate tasks like processing loan applications, verifying credit scores, and managing customer data. Instead of employees manually entering data or reviewing applications, bots can carry out these tasks quickly and without error. This automation not only reduces the time it takes to process applications, but also speeds up the entire loan approval process, benefiting both customers and the bank. Similarly, in the insurance industry, bots can handle policy renewals, claims processing, and customer inquiries, helping companies manage large volumes of business without the need for additional staff. The flexibility of RPA extends across many different industries, allowing businesses to automate a wide range of tasks and workflows. In healthcare, RPA can be used to automate the administrative work involved in scheduling appointments, billing patients, or managing patient records. In manufacturing, RPA can automate inventory management, supply chain logistics, and order processing. The beauty of RPA lies in its adaptability. Regardless of the industry, it can be customized to perform specific tasks, making processes more efficient and cost-effective. As RPA continues to evolve, it's increasingly being integrated with artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, taking automation to the next level. RPA's rules-based automation is now being enhanced with AI and ML algorithms, allowing bots to not just follow predefined instructions, but to learn from data and make decisions based on patterns and insights. For instance, in customer service, AI-powered RPA bots can recognize the intent behind customer queries, analyze the sentiment of messages, and make smarter, more context-aware decisions. This integration enables RPA to handle more complex tasks that involve decision-making, such as offering personalized recommendations, detecting fraud, or handling disputes. The combination of RPA, AI, and ML creates a system that is not only faster, but also smarter, capable of learning from every interaction and adapting to new challenges in real time. However, as businesses begin to embrace RPA more fully, it's important to consider the workforce implications. While RPA increases efficiency and reduces costs, it also raises questions about job displacement. Many routine, manual jobs may be automated, leaving employees to focus on higher-level tasks, while some fear that RPA will lead to significant job loss. Others see it as an opportunity for workers to shift into roles that require more creativity, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking. By automating repetitive tasks, RPA enables human workers to focus on areas that require problem-solving, innovation, and decision-making, skills that are still beyond the reach of AI. The key to successful RPA implementation is finding a balance between automation and human input, ensuring that employees are supported, trained, and empowered to adapt to new roles. In conclusion, Robotic Process Automation, RPA, is transforming the way businesses operate, offering a powerful solution to automate routine, time-consuming tasks, and streamline workflows. By allowing software bots to handle repetitive work, businesses can enhance operational efficiency, reduce human error, and improve customer satisfaction. RPA enables companies to save time and costs, optimize resources, and scale operations more easily, all while allowing employees to focus on tasks that require more creativity and strategic thinking. The integration of AI and machine learning with RPA further enhances its capabilities, enabling bots to handle more complex tasks and adapt to new situations. As RPA continues to evolve, it is becoming an essential tool for businesses across all industries, helping them to operate smarter, faster, and more efficiently in an increasingly digital world. The future of RPA is bright, with endless possibilities to unlock greater efficiency, productivity, and innovation. How RPA works. Robotic Process Automation is reshaping the landscape of business operations, transforming tasks that once required manual intervention into automated processes that can execute with speed, efficiency, and precision. At the heart of RPA is its ability to interact with applications and systems in a way that mirrors human actions. This enables RPA bots to take on tasks like logging into systems, navigating interfaces, copying and pasting data, and even making decisions based on preset rules. Essentially, RPA is designed to handle routine, repetitive tasks that don't require the depth of human judgment, but still play a crucial role in day-to-day business operations. The fundamental way in which RPA works is through the mimicking of human behavior. Just as a human worker might log into a system, search for data, copy it, and paste it into another system or document, an RPA bot performs these same tasks, but with far greater speed and consistency. The first step involves programming the RPA bot with specific instructions, rules, or workflows that outline what tasks it needs to perform, how to interact with specific applications, and what data it needs to process. These workflows are usually simple, rules-based tasks that are easily defined, such as transferring customer information from one system to another, generating and sending reports, or filling in forms. One of the key characteristics of RPA bots is their ability to integrate with a wide variety of applications, making them highly adaptable across different industries and processes. Whether the task involves interacting with legacy software systems, web-based applications, or modern enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems, RPA bots can be programmed to interface with almost any platform, making them versatile tools for a wide range of business functions. This is crucial because businesses often operate on a mix of software platforms, some new, some old, and being able to integrate seamlessly with all of them without the need for major system overhauls is one of the most powerful aspects of RPA. Let's take a simple but impactful example to illustrate how RPA bots interact with systems. In the financial sector, consider the task of processing invoices. Typically, a financial clerk would log into the accounting system, locate the relevant invoice, verify it against purchase orders, and then enter the details into a system. An RPA bot would take over this entire process. It logs into the system using stored credentials, retrieves the relevant invoice, checks it against the database for discrepancies, and enters the information into the system. If the bot encounters an error, it might flag the issue for review by a human operator. This task, which could take a human employee several minutes to complete, is finished by the bot in seconds, with far fewer errors and without requiring any manual effort once set up. The bot works tirelessly, efficiently, and consistently, enabling employees to focus on higher value tasks that require more creativity, problem solving, and decision making. At its core, RPA allows businesses to automate manual tasks that were previously done by humans. While many automation tools require programming to execute specific functions, RPA works by recording the actions a human takes within a system and then replaying those actions automatically. This process is called screen scraping, and it's how RPA bots mimic human behavior. The bot essentially watches the user and understands the steps they take in an application, then reproduces these steps in real time without human oversight. This allows RPA to integrate into existing workflows without the need for deep system modifications or complex programming, which makes it easy to deploy and scale across an organization. Furthermore, RPA helps to improve accuracy in business operations. Unlike humans who are prone to making mistakes when performing repetitive tasks, RPA bots follow predefined rules and operate with precision. Once programmed, the bot will perform the task exactly the same way every time, ensuring consistent results. This is especially important in industries such as finance and healthcare, where accuracy is critical and even small errors can lead to significant financial or legal consequences. By automating tasks such as invoice processing, data entry, and report generation, businesses can drastically reduce the risk of errors, improving both the quality of work and compliance with regulations. The integration of RPA with artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning ML is the next frontier in automation, allowing bots to evolve and improve their performance over time. While traditional RPA is focused on rule-based automation, AI and ML capabilities enable bots to perform more complex tasks that require learning from past experiences. In customer service, for example, AI-powered RPA bots can analyze past customer interactions to predict future inquiries and offer proactive solutions. These intelligent systems can recognize patterns in data and make adjustments to their behavior, improving the customer experience by offering personalized responses or anticipating issues before they arise. The combination of RPA with AI and ML provides a level of flexibility and adaptability that traditional automation tools lack, allowing businesses to automate a wider range of tasks and achieve even greater efficiency. Despite its many benefits, RPA is not without challenges. Integration with existing systems, especially in businesses that rely on legacy software, can be difficult, as RPA bots often need to interface with older platforms that weren't designed with automation in mind. Furthermore, while RPA can automate many tasks, it is important to understand that it is most effective when paired with human oversight, particularly in tasks that require creativity, empathy, or complex problem solving. Successful RPA implementations also require careful planning, including designing workflows, defining rules, and monitoring performance to ensure that bots are functioning as intended. In conclusion, robotic process automation, RPA, is a powerful tool that is revolutionizing the way businesses operate, enabling the automation of routine, time-consuming tasks and improving efficiency across departments. By mimicking human actions, RPA bots can interact with systems, gather data, and execute predefined tasks with accuracy and speed, reducing errors and freeing up human employees to focus on higher value work. The versatility of RPA, its ability to integrate with existing systems, and its potential for scalability make it an invaluable asset for businesses looking to optimize their operations. As AI and machine learning continue to enhance the capabilities of RPA, the technology will only become more powerful, enabling even more complex, intelligent automation that will continue to shape the future of work. Benefits of RPA. The transformative benefits of robotic process automation, RPA, are not just theoretical, but have proven themselves across industries, making RPA one of the most valuable tools in business today. By automating routine and repetitive tasks, RPA frees up employees from mundane work and allows organizations to significantly improve productivity, reduce operational costs, enhance accuracy, and dramatically shorten processing times. These benefits translate into better workflows, faster service delivery, and more satisfied customers, all while empowering employees to focus on tasks that require creativity, problem solving, and human expertise. The primary benefit of RPA is undoubtedly its ability to increase productivity across a wide variety of industries. Traditional work processes are often bogged down by repetitive tasks that require substantial amounts of time and attention, but offer little opportunity for creative input. Think about the time spent on entering data into multiple systems, verifying records, or performing routine follow-up calls. These activities often drain valuable resources and are susceptible to human error. RPA takes these tasks off the hands of employees, allowing them to dedicate their time and energy to higher-level activities that drive business growth and innovation. By implementing RPA, businesses can achieve a remarkable boost in productivity because tasks are completed faster, more efficiently, and without the need for constant oversight. RPA can handle the heavy lifting of everyday administrative tasks with incredible consistency and accuracy, allowing workers to perform at their best and enabling the company to accomplish more in less time. In addition to increasing productivity, RPA helps reduce operational costs significantly. Labor costs are one of the largest expenses for most businesses, particularly in industries that rely heavily on manual data entry, customer service, and administrative work. By automating routine processes, RPA allows organizations to reduce the need for additional manpower, especially for tasks that do not require advanced decision-making or complex problem-solving. For example, instead of hiring additional customer service representatives to manage an influx of basic inquiries, a business can implement an AI-powered chatbot or virtual assistant to handle simple questions and issues, freeing up human employees to deal with more complex concerns. This ability to reduce headcount without sacrificing quality or performance is a powerful driver of cost savings for organizations. Furthermore, RPA bots can work 24/7 without needing breaks or downtime, allowing businesses to operate around the clock, boosting efficiency and cutting costs related to overtime or extended work hours. One of the most compelling aspects of RPA is its ability to improve accuracy. In any business process that involves human data entry or decision-making, there is always a risk of error. Humans are fallible, and even the most diligent employee can make mistakes, especially when performing repetitive, monotonous tasks over extended periods. These errors, no matter how small, can lead to significant consequences, from financial discrepancies to customer dissatisfaction. With RPA, these risks are significantly minimized. Bots follow predefined rules and instructions with perfect consistency, ensuring that each task is performed accurately every time. Whether it's entering invoice details into a financial system, processing customer orders, or checking inventory levels, RPA bots don't forget to cross-check, they don't make typographical errors, and they don't skip steps. This level of accuracy, particularly in critical areas like finance and healthcare, is vital for reducing mistakes, ensuring compliance, and maintaining customer trust. In healthcare, for example, where accurate data entry and processing can be the difference between life and death, the integration of RPA can significantly reduce errors in patient records, medical billing, and appointment scheduling, leading to better outcomes and more efficient care. RPA is also instrumental in delivering faster processing times, which is increasingly important in today's fast-paced, competitive business environment. In industries like finance, where time is of the essence and customers expect instant responses, the ability to automate processes can drastically speed up workflows. In banks, RPA can automate processes like processing loan applications, verifying customer details, and even handling credit card fraud detection, all in real time. These tasks, which traditionally took hours or even days to complete, can now be finished in seconds, providing customers with faster service and businesses with improved turnaround times. In sectors like manufacturing, RPA can automate the scheduling of production lines, reducing wait times and increasing throughput, making businesses more responsive to customer demand. This reduction in processing times doesn't just enhance efficiency, It also improves customer satisfaction, as businesses are able to deliver products and services faster than ever before. A key benefit of RPA is its scalability. As businesses grow and face increasing workloads, RPA allows them to scale operations without the need to hire additional staff. Scaling a traditional business often requires significant investment in human resources, training, and management, all of which can be costly and time-consuming. However, with RPA, businesses can deploy additional bots to handle increased workloads without incurring the same overhead costs. If a business experiences a surge in demand, such as during the holiday season or when launching a new product, RPA can easily accommodate the increase in volume by adding more bots to handle the extra work. These bots can process thousands of transactions per minute, manage thousands of customer queries simultaneously, or handle large volumes of data with ease. This scalability allows businesses to grow without the typical bottlenecks associated with manual labor and human capacity limitations. In logistics, for instance, RPA can be used to automate order fulfillment, inventory management, and shipment tracking, ensuring that the business can handle a surge in orders without requiring additional warehouse staff or administrative personnel. RPA also offers significant improvements in employee satisfaction. One of the major reasons why employees often feel stressed or dissatisfied is the amount of time they spend on repetitive, low-value tasks. These tasks are not only tedious, but also drain mental energy, leaving workers less motivated to focus on more meaningful and creative aspects of their job. By automating routine tasks, RPA allows employees to focus on higher value, more engaging work, such as strategic decision-making, customer engagement, or innovation. This shift in responsibilities leads to more job satisfaction, higher levels of productivity, and a more motivated workforce. Employees are no longer bogged down by data entry or repetitive processes. They can focus on problem solving, creative thinking, and adding value to the business in ways that require human intelligence and judgment. Furthermore, RPA can significantly improve customer service. In customer-facing industries, providing quick, accurate, and personalized responses is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. RPA-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle a large volume of customer queries in real time, providing instant responses to frequently asked questions, processing service requests, and resolving issues without human intervention. These bots are able to offer 24/7 support, ensuring that customers receive the assistance they need at any time of day or night. By freeing up human agents from answering routine inquiries, businesses can allow their employees to focus on more complex customer interactions, where empathy, creative problem solving, and human judgment are required. This shift in workload improves both efficiency and customer satisfaction, as customers are provided with faster responses and more personalized service when needed. The integration of AI and machine learning with RPA systems also amplifies the benefits. RPA's core strength lies in automating simple rule-based tasks, but with the addition of AI, the technology can learn from data and improve its decision-making over time. For example, in a customer service scenario, an AI-engineered RPA bot can learn from past interactions to predict future customer needs, automatically tailoring its responses to individual preferences. This deeper layer of intelligence enhances the bot's ability to manage more complex requests, offering smarter, more dynamic automation. The combination of RPA and AI creates a system that can continuously adapt to changing conditions and improve its efficiency over time, ensuring that businesses remain responsive and competitive in a rapidly changing market. Of course, there are challenges that come with implementing RPA, such as the initial setup and integration with existing systems, but these challenges are far outweighed by the long-term benefits. Proper implementation requires a clear understanding of the processes to be automated, effective planning, and the right tools and platforms to support RPA bots. Once the systems are in place, the benefits of RPA quickly become evident. Businesses experience increased efficiency, reduced costs, improved accuracy, and a more agile, responsive workforce. With the continued development of RPA technology, including its integration with AI and machine learning, the scope of tasks that can be automated will continue to expand, making RPA an even more integral part of the future of work. In conclusion, robotic process automation, RPA, offers a wide range of benefits that go beyond just automating tasks. By increasing productivity, reducing operational costs, improving accuracy, speeding up processing times, and offering scalability, RPA is enabling businesses to streamline operations and optimize workflows. It allows employees to focus on higher value tasks while creating more efficient, responsive systems that deliver better results. As RPA technology continues to evolve, its integration with AI will only enhance its capabilities, leading to even smarter, more adaptable automation solutions. The future of RPA is one of continuous improvement, where tasks are not only automated, but optimized, and businesses become more agile, efficient, and innovative in the face of ever-growing demands. Applications of RPA. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, has firmly established itself as a powerful tool for automating repetitive, time-consuming tasks, and its applications across various industries are continually growing. The core strength of RPA lies in its ability to streamline operations, reduce human error by integrating RPA into business processes. Organizations can automate tasks that were previously performed manually, freeing up valuable human resources to focus on higher value work that requires creativity, strategic thinking, and problem solving. In the finance sector, RPA has proven to be a game changer, particularly in automating tasks that are repetitive and require high levels of accuracy, such as invoice processing and reconciliation. In a traditional accounting environment, handling invoices involves multiple steps: receiving the invoice, validating the information, entering the details into the system, and then reconciling it with purchase orders or contracts. These tasks often take up a significant amount of time, and the manual nature of the work increases the risk of errors. By using RPA, finance teams can automate this process with bots verifying invoice details, cross-referencing them with purchase orders, and inputting the data into the financial system. This automation not only reduces the risk of human error, but also accelerates the entire process, allowing invoices to be processed and reconciled in a fraction of the time. Similarly, financial reconciliation, which involves comparing internal financial records with external statements, such as bank records or vendor reports, is another task that benefits greatly from RPA. Traditionally, this process involves sifting through large volumes of data, manually matching transactions, and identifying discrepancies. With RPA, bots can automatically compare the data across different systems, flag any discrepancies for further review, and even reconcile the accounts without human intervention. The time saved through this automation allows finance professionals to focus on more strategic tasks, such as financial analysis and forecasting, which require their expertise. RPA's value extends beyond finance to customer service, where it is widely used to automate routine inquiries and enhance the customer experience. In many customer-facing industries, businesses receive high volumes of repetitive inquiries that can be easily automated with RPA. For example, in telecommunications, customers often contact support centers to check their account balance, request billing information, or inquire about service status. With RPA, businesses can automate responses to these routine queries, either through a chatbot or a virtual assistant, reducing the burden on customer service representatives and providing instant responses to customers. Bots can access customer data, retrieve relevant information, and respond with answers based on predefined rules or access to the company's knowledge base. This level of automation can also be expanded to include order processing, complaint handling, and returns management. In retail, for instance, an RPA bot can automatically handle order status updates, provide delivery information, and even process returns by verifying order details, issuing refunds, and updating stock levels. This not only speeds up response times, but also ensures accuracy as bots work tirelessly without the risk of oversight or fatigue that can affect human agents. RPA systems can also be integrated with AI-driven chatbots that can handle more complex queries, ensuring that customers are offered a seamless experience with simple tasks automated and more complicated issues routed to human agents. Another area where RPA is making significant strides is in human resources, HR. In HR departments, many tasks involve managing repetitive, time-consuming processes, such as payroll processing and employee onboarding, both of which are prime candidates for automation. Payroll involves gathering hours worked, calculating wages, applying deductions, and generating pay slips, tasks that are repetitive and prone to errors when done manually. By using RPA, businesses can automate the entire payroll process, reducing the chance of errors and ensuring that employees are paid on time every time. Bots can be programmed to gather data from time tracking systems, calculate pay, apply tax withholdings, and generate reports, all without human intervention. This frees up HR professionals to focus on more strategic activities such as employee engagement, training, and development. Employee onboarding is another process that benefits from RPA. Onboarding new employees often involves multiple steps such as verifying documentation, setting up accounts, enrolling in benefits programs, and introducing them to company systems. By automating these tasks, RPA ensures a smoother and faster onboarding experience, reducing administrative overhead and ensuring that all the necessary steps are completed consistently and on time. New employees can be onboarded with minimal delays, and HR departments can be freed up to focus on personalizing the experience and fostering better employee integration. The use of RPA in insurance and banking has also proven to be highly valuable, especially in industries that handle high volumes of routine paperwork, claims processing, and regulatory compliance tasks. In the insurance industry, for example, claims processing can be incredibly time-consuming, requiring insurance agents to manually review claims, verify information, and cross-check with policy details. With RPA, bots can automatically collect claim information, verify policy details, validate documents, and even approve simple claims without human intervention. By automating these processes, insurance companies not only speed up the claims process, but also reduce the risk of fraud by ensuring that claims are thoroughly reviewed based on predefined rules. In banking, RPA has had a profound impact on tasks such as account reconciliation, compliance checks, loan processing, and fraud detection. RPA bots can handle the massive amount of paperwork involved in loan applications by automatically verifying the applicant's information, checking their credit scores, and processing the data. Similarly, bots can manage compliance by checking transactions for adherence to regulatory requirements, reducing the chances of human error and helping financial institutions stay compliant with laws and regulations. Furthermore, RPA can assist in fraud detection by automatically analyzing transactions for signs of suspicious activity, such as unusual transaction patterns or discrepancies, and flagging them for review. In manufacturing, RPA is revolutionizing the way businesses manage production, inventory, and supply chains. The manufacturing process involves many repetitive tasks, such as updating inventory, tracking materials, and generating production reports. By using RPA, manufacturers can automate these workflows, ensuring that inventory levels are updated in real time, production schedules are adjusted based on demand, and stock levels are monitored continuously. This automation streamlines the entire manufacturing process, improving supply chain efficiency and reducing the risk of human error. RPA can also be used to manage quality control by automatically inspecting products, detecting defects, and triggering corrective actions. The potential of RPA is vast, and its ability to improve efficiency extends far beyond these initial examples. In areas such as retail, telecommunications, and energy, RPA is helping businesses manage a wide range of processes, from handling customer inquiries and managing supply chains to optimizing energy consumption and reducing operational costs. By automating repetitive tasks and streamlining workflows, businesses can not only improve productivity but also reduce costs and improve customer satisfaction. Whether in financial services, customer service, HR, manufacturing, or healthcare, RPA is providing organizations with the tools they need to operate more efficiently, deliver better services, and respond more quickly to changing demands. RPA also empowers businesses to scale operations with ease. As companies grow and face increasing workloads, RPA allows them to expand their capacity without the need for additional staff or resources. For example, if a company experiences a surge in customer inquiries, it can deploy more chatbots or virtual assistants to handle the increased volume. Similarly, in finance or manufacturing, RPA bots can be scaled up to handle larger volumes of transactions or production processes, ensuring that businesses can meet the growing demands without compromising quality or efficiency. The introduction of artificial intelligence, AI, into RPA systems further enhances the impact of automation. AI algorithms enable RPA bots to not just follow predefined rules, but also to learn from data and make decisions based on patterns, context, and experience. This creates a more sophisticated system that can handle complex tasks, such as identifying fraud, providing personalized customer service, or making strategic business decisions. The combination of AI and RPA results in a dynamic system that not only automates tasks, but also continuously improves, making it even more effective and responsive. Despite the remarkable advantages, RPA is not without its challenges. Successful implementation of RPA requires a clear understanding of which processes to automate, how to integrate RPA bots with existing systems, and how to ensure that bots are continuously monitored for performance and accuracy. Businesses must also ensure that their workforce is equipped to manage and oversee automated processes, as RPA works best when combined with human expertise. Effective training, planning, and change management are critical to ensuring a smooth transition to an automated workflow. In conclusion, the applications of robotic process automation are vast and transformative. By automating routine, repetitive tasks, RPA allows businesses to increase productivity, reduce costs, improve accuracy, and enhance efficiency. Whether in finance, healthcare, manufacturing, or customer service, RPA is providing organizations with the tools to streamline operations, optimize workflows, and create smarter, more responsive systems with the ability to scale and adapt. RPA is a powerful solution that will continue to shape the future of business, making operations more agile, efficient, and effective. The integration of AI and machine learning into RPA is further expanding its capabilities, ensuring that the future of automation is not only faster, but also smarter. As RPA continues to evolve, its potential to drive innovation and create more effective business operations will only grow, benefiting industries and organizations worldwide.